The Sage CRM interactive dashboard is customizable by placing gadgets on your workspace. Some of these gadgets can be linked together for dynamic filtering. In this tutorial, we're going to demonstrate this feature by linking company, opportunity, and case list gadgets so that when we scroll through the company list, the other gadgets are filtered by the selected company. We're going to present this tutorial in 3 steps. First, we'll create the data source for each gadget. Then we'll create a new dashboard and add the company, opportunity, and case list gadgets. And finally, we'll link the gadgets and demonstrate their behavior. So now let's jump right in and get started with the first step, creating the data source for each gadget. The data source for list gadgets can be a group, report, a saved advanced find, or saved search. For our demonstration, we'll create some saved searches to use as our data sources, and to do this, we'll right-click on Find and select Company. We're logged in as Susan May, a sales manager in our sample company, and we want to create a saved search for companies where she is the account manager. So we'll enter her name in the Account Manager field and then hit Find. We'll save this search by clicking the Save Search icon, and we'll name it My Companies and save it. And now it appears in the Save Search list. For our demonstration, we also need lists for opportunities and cases, so let's change the search context to Opportunity, and again, we'll enter Susan as the assigned to, set status to In Progress, then hit Find. Now we'll hit the Save Search icon and enter My Opportunities in Progress, then hit Save. And finally, we'll save a search for cases. Let's set the status to In Progress, and for demo purposes, we'll leave the Assigned To field blank this time since Susan is a sales manager and won't have any cases assigned to her. And now we'll hit Find. And we'll again save the search and name it Cases in Progress. And that completes the first step. So now we're ready to move on to the second step, creating a new dashboard and adding the new gadgets. To do this, we'll go to New Dashboard and select Create Dashboard. For type, Fixed Layout will arrange our gadgets in a fixed 3-column grid, whereas Flexible allows us the freedom to size and place our gadgets as we see fit. For this demo, it'll be easiest to work with a fixed layout. Since we're logged in as Susan May, we'll name it Susan's Dashboard. Let's skip the description, and for category, select Account Dashboard and click OK. We're not going to use any of the gadget templates, so we'll close this window and instead we'll click New Gadget, then Create Gadget. Each of our gadgets will be a list, which we'll select here, and we'll choose Company, then Next. For our data source, we'll use the Save Search that we created in Step 1, which we named My Companies, then click Next. Here we'll choose the information that will display in our gadget, and we'll go with company name and city, then click Next. For the default action, that is what happens when you click on a company in the List gadget, and we'll select Go to List or Report. For drill down, we'll choose Go to Summary Screen, which in this case would be the company summary screen. And again, click Next. And finally, we'll enter a name, My Companies, and then click Finish. Now let's quickly create similar list gadgets for opportunities and cases. So we'll go to New Gadget, Create Gadget, List, Opportunity, then Next. And the Save Search My Opportunities in Progress, and we'll show company name, person, description, and status. And go to List or Report, and drill down to Summary Screen. And we'll name it My Opportunities in Progress, and Finish. And lastly, we'll repeat the process to create the Case List gadget. And here we'll select Case, then Cases in Progress Save Search, and we'll show status, company name, description, and stage. And go to List or Report and drill down to Summary screen. And the name will be Cases in Progress. So here we have our 3 gadgets: a company, opportunity, and case list. Now suppose that we want to look at open sales opportunities and cases for one of our customers, Eurolandia. So starting with our Opportunities gadget, we'll select Filter by Company Name, then enter Euro and hit Go. And there you can see we have one opportunity in progress. And to see Cases in Progress, we have to do a similar search, filtering by company name, Euro, then hit Go. And here you can see that they have 4 cases in progress. As you can see, repeating the search steps for each gadget is inefficient, so now let's move on to step 3 and see how we can link the gadgets to automate the filtering process. So starting with Opportunities, we'll click the Links icon, then hit New Link. Our Opportunities gadget will receive its data from the My Companies gadget, and on the right, we'll select the gadget. And for the data to link, we'll choose Company. Now we'll highlight Company on the right, then click OK and close. Now let's look at the effect of this change. Notice that when we select a company, the Opportunities gadget is filtered automatically by the selected company. Further, note that since we have not yet linked the Cases gadget, it has not updated. So now let's link Cases, and again, we'll click the Links icon, New Link, and receives data from My Companies. And for data to link, we'll again select Company, highlight it, click OK, and then close. Now when we select a company, you can see that both the Opportunity and Case gadgets are dynamically filtered by that company. And that completes our demonstration. Give us a call if you need assistance with this or any other feature in your Sage CRM system. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Bye for now.